we are going to discuss some examples of chapter 2. This is Bansi has 3 times as many 2 rupee coins as he has 5 rupee coins. बंसी के पास 2 रुपए वाले जो कॉइन्स हैं वो 5 रुपए वाले कॉइन्स का 3 गुना है. If he has in all a sum of ₹77, उसके पास कुल 77 रुपीस हैं, तो दोनों तरह के कॉइन्स कितने कितने हैं ये हमें बताना. तो यहाँ पर हम मान लेते हैं सपोज 5 रुपीस वाले कॉइन्स x हैं. Then the number of 2 rupee coins will be 3 times x, that is 3x. Now the value of x coins of ₹5 will be 5x. जैसे 5 रुपए वाले 2 कॉइन्स हैं तो उसकी वैल्यू क्या होगी 5 into 2 10 रुपीज हो जाएगा टोटल वैल्यू. इसी तरह से अगर 3 कॉइन्स हैं 5 रुपए वाले तो 5 into 3. अब हमारे पास 5 रुपीज वाले x कॉइन्स हैं, सो 5 रुपीज वाले x कॉइन्स की वैल्यू हो गई 5x. इसी तरह से 2 रुपीज वाले कॉइन्स वी हैव 3x, सो द वैल्यू ऑफ 3x coins of 2 rupees will be 2 into 3x, that is 6x. So the total money will be 5x plus 6x, that is 11x. Now we are given that the total money is 77, so we can equate them. So 11x is equal to 77, x is equal to 7 by 11, that is 7. Number of 5 rupee coins is x, that is 7. Then the number of 2 rupees coins is 3x, so it becomes 3 multiplied by 7, that is 21. Next example, the sum of 3 consecutive multiples of 11 is 363. Find these multiples. 11 के 3 consecutive multiples का sum 363 है, तो वो multiples क्या हैं ये हमें find out करना है. So let us suppose that the multiples of 11 are x, x plus 11 and then x plus 22, because consecutive multiples of 11 differs by 11. So now it is given that the sum of these 3 multiples is 363. So x plus 11 plus x plus 22 is equal to 363. x plus x 3x हो गया. 11 plus 22 33. So we get 3x plus 33 is equal to 363. So transpose 33 on the right hand side, we get 3x is equal to 330, and then x will be equal to 330 divided by 3, that is 110. So the first multiple is 110. Next will be x plus 11, that is 110 plus 11. Then again add 11 to it. The third multiple is x plus 22, that is 110 plus 22, 132. Next question is, the difference between two whole numbers is 66. The ratio of two numbers is 2:5. What are the two numbers? Since the ratio of two numbers is 2:5, so let us take the numbers as 2x and 5x. Now their difference is 66, so we can put 5x minus 2x is equal to 66. So it becomes 3x is equal to 66. So x is equal to 66 divided by 3, that is 22. So the number is 2 into x, that is 2 into 22, and 5 into x, that is 5 into 22, 110. So the numbers are 44 and 110. That's all for today. Now do these examples in your copy. Thank you.